What up, party people? Here we are in beautiful Colorado. Nate and I just picked up a new dirt bike. What up?
What's that?
Here she is, the unit, the specimen.
Got some new fork boots.
Sick.
Because this one's on its way out.
Definitely could use those.
Been out.
Ooh, we got a whole box.
Fresh grips, of course. New battery. Because the current one doesn't work.
Only runs off a jumper pack at the moment.
Gold chain.
Gold everything.
Bling bling. There's more.
Oh, nice. The second box. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Battery cover for the other side. Sprocket cover.
Sick.
That was missing.
Looks like it's made out of metal, but it's not.
Missing bolts. Leaky output shift seal.
Nice. Spark plug.
New brake reservoir cap.
Dude, I swear this always happens.
Yeah, I don't know how everybody like flips their bike upside down, but
It's like the third bike I've seen where it's like literally,
just the corner of it. Yeah.
but it's still sealed somehow.
Sometimes you don't have hand guards and you just take a digger. Yes.
Yeah. I wonder if we're gonna be able to get this out.
I know.
That'll be a real test.
It was
Actually, look.
reupholster.
2 hours later.
Dude, I think it might come out.
Just a little oil
Wow.
in the fingers. That's all you need.
It's good that we know how to detail too. We got a few tools. Stay tuned. Yeah, doing some
Something.
contemplating of what we do next. Let's do a little tear down.
Cool, yeah. I think we'll strip it all the way down, lay it out, clean it piece by piece. Maybe get that ultrasonic cleaner fired up and start cleaning.
Start taking some bad parts out, and if we find anything else that needs to be replaced, get that ordered, so this project doesn't turn into a long project. Because if you just plan out your projects properly and buy all your shit the first time, then it won't have to sit in your garage for years. It could be potentially a couple months. Or if it's small enough projects, a couple days, couple hours. She's a little rusty, but that's fine. We can deal with that one way or another. The start to the project. You know it's gonna be fun when just get a cut zip ties. Just like that, people. There's only one bolt holding this thing on. Pretty crazy. Got another zip tie on the other side. No, we're already just missing the plastic. Makes tear down real easy.
Back in the holes where I can.
Good call. Alright, take the seat off. Voila. We'll put the parts that we're saving over there and just make a pile of shit that we're throwing out. Put the fuel in, this thing's old. Which one has the screwdrivers? Aha. Boop. Feel like a peasant over here right now. Living in the dark ages. You don't need power tools, people, but it helps. These gloves also don't help. My dexterity is
It's a sacrifice.
weak at the moment, but my hands are warm. Come on. Ta-da. Let's get this fuel line off. Little bit of plier action. Might get a little bit of drippage. Oh, no. Oh. There she goes. Look at this thing already looks a lot worse. Well, it's so much easier to clean. I feel like this engine would be easy to take out. I feel like there's a lot of space here.
Yeah, for sure.
Like when you take out that bracket and like carb. Dude, this starter is massive.
Oh my.
It's like a car
For
starter.
a tiny little bike.
Every time I cut a zip tie, I feel like I'm honoring a ceremony or something. Look at that. Ultrasonic cleaner.
Yeah.
Just gonna put this over to the side for now. That's when you have worked in a shop for 4 years. You just know what socket is. Mmm.
It's been rubbed. It's been lubed.
Yeah, she's
It's been crashed. The dude tore the spark arrestor out of it for some reason.
High five.
So what happens to a bike created outside? It's alive.
We'll get you back on your legs and then we'll send you off into the world. Give you food, a shelter.
Temporary.
Can't keep you forever, sadly, but
We gotta help the other children.
get out of here, spider. We don't want it. It's crazy how quickly they can just shoot a web and just like, oh my god, they're everywhere. There's one that just came down from here and then,
What are you doing in my house?
oh, that's so trippy. Got her all torn down. Have our parts over here that we're saving. Got a few over here as well. Gonna take it through the ultrasonic cleaner. What else doesn't get cleaned? We're gonna hit it with brake clean, some water brushes, the whole shebang. Gonna get a new muffler, because this thing is sweet. Gonna clean up all these. Figured we're gonna replace some bearings, because feel a little toyed in some sections. And also taking out pretty much every bolt. We had to use some force because they were all rusted. It's fun, right?
Very fun. And by some force, a lot of force.
But we're almost there, just taking off the swing arm at the moment.
We
Needs,
haven't had to blow out the mat or bust out the mat gas yet.
yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. We'll go with a 16. It's a 17. A wiggle. Would you believe it? Ta-da! Alright. One more bolt. And she's ready to go. POV initiated. Whoa. Oh yeah. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned while we build this bike, put some cool parts on it, do some customization, all that fun stuff.
See you on the next episode.
Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned.